Well, here's a little video. It's done. It's on all by myself. I took detailed pictures after I got the drilling and trimming out. Not the prettiest job. I even replaced my headlights. Had the whole front cover off. Nice clean headlights. But this is for the brush guard bumper. I don't know if you can see it too well. Let's see if I can activate some light. So you can see I had to trim out the plastic. Get down here and show you where they mount. There's already 2 drilled holes in the actual metal, cheap, tiny little metal bumper that comes on this 07 Ford Escape. And you can see it mounts right into the bumper. That's the support. Now, coming down under, I can't really show you because I put the plastic cover on. But no, I'm not trying to flip you off. I'm trying to show you. And you can see there's a hole up there. And then I actually had to trim and cut out a slot up there. You see that metal sticking out. So anyways, you weld a excuse me yeah, weld a piece of metal rod to the edge of the nut, and then you hold that metal and hold the metal inside the radiator support just over the open hole that's already drilled, pre-drilled, and I believe it's a 5/16 bolt that drops through. And as you can see, this one's an Allen head, and then these are 1/2-inch bolts which actually hold it together. Okay, and I think these are smaller, and they come with nylock nuts. This is the DNA kit, and as one of my friends told me, DNA is always having problems trying to make their stuff fit. So this is proof it can be done, but there's a little drilling and butchering involved. You can see the plastic. Not exactly the prettiest, but hey, it works. Not to be confused with my earlier previous cutout. That was because I was going to make some mounts and get a used one, and as you can see, that's the frame rail right inside there where I was going to actually make the flat metal come out the top. But instead I've actually found that there's still a couple of brush guards that are already made specific for the 01 to 04. Of course, they list it 01 to 04. Let me get up here. I think I just zoomed in, didn't I? I was trying to zoom out. Let's see here. There we go. Anyway, and then I have the little loop brush guards that go in front of the headlights. I haven't put those on yet. I'm still deciding whether I'm going to or not. But I wanted some more added protection because, as you can see, let me try to show you. I mean, the little bumper in here is just a puny little piece of metal. So it's only about this tall, only a couple inches. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message, email me. Anyways, that's the DNA brush guard. DNA Motoring out of California, Southern California, LA County, I believe. That's it.